Understanding up against the clock. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, up against the clock. This expression is widely used, but what does it actually mean? Stay tuned as we unravel its meaning, origin, and how to use it in your conversations. When someone says they are up against the clock, it means they are under a great deal of pressure to complete something within a limited time frame. It's as if the clock is an opponent in a race against time. This phrase vividly captures the urgency and stress of trying to meet a deadline or finish a task before time runs out. The phrase, up against the clock, has its roots in sports and games, where timing is crucial, and participants must often complete tasks or achieve goals within a set period. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to describe any situation where there is a pressing deadline. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life contexts. Workplace. We're really up against the clock to get this project finished by Friday. Academic. I was up against the clock trying to submit my thesis on time. Personal projects. I'm up against the clock to finish knitting this scarf before my friend's birthday. These examples show that regardless of the scenario, being up against the clock conveys a sense of urgency and the need for efficient time management. 1. Prioritize tasks. Focus on what's most important and urgent. 2. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable parts. 3. Avoid distractions. Stay focused on your goals to maximize productivity. 4. Ask for help if needed. Sometimes, sharing the workload can make things easier. Being up against the clock is a challenge we all face at various points in our lives. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your English vocabulary but also prepares you to handle time-sensitive situations more effectively. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting expression. Remember, good time management is key to not feeling overwhelmed when the clock is ticking. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.